Hey everyone, so today the plan was supposed to be to start mocking up exhaust, but it turns out that the pipes that I bought to mock up an exhaust aren't the size that I'm actually going to be using. I bought 2-inch pipes, but it looks like I'm going to be using 1 7/8 inch pipes. I'm actually considering possibly using the old headers for part of the exhaust and continuing with the pipes that I'm ordering. So I can't really do any work until I figure that out. I was supposed to do the pipes and everything just because I need to get the carburetor jetted, and that's going to be the longest part. But since I have to wait for the new tubing and everything to come in, I'm going to just start by stripping the bike down and taking everything off that I'm going to be replacing, and might as well just build the bike first and then get the carburetor jetted. So that's what we're going to start doing today. So to take the seat off, what you're supposed to be able to do is just put the key in and twist it counterclockwise further, and the seat pops off. But apparently that's one of the things that is not working on the bike, and I'm going to figure out how to take that off. Okay, so I was slightly wrong about that. What you're supposed to do is when you lock the steering wheel, you have to push down, turn the key to the left. To take the seat off, you don't push down, you just push. Without pushing down, you just turn the key to the left, and it pulls the cable and pops the seat right off. So I got the fender off and the seat, getting close to roughly what the bike is going to look like. Well, from the tank back, just need an exhaust. I am going to be cutting this whole bracket completely off because that looks bad. And then I'm going to figure out which seat I need to order, and hopefully going to be able to order the seat today. Okay, so when taking this bracket off, which actually holds the exhaust, it's right here, and then the exhaust bolts up, and the exhaust bolts up right here. This brake line for the rear brakes becomes looser here. So what I'm going to do is take this bolt, and what I'm going to do is take a bolt right here, put it through one of the holes that held the bracket before, and connect the line to the back of that so it holds right here.